Actually, it's like a whole year already.
Before, what's your job?
I was a waitress. I was a housekeeper. I'm
Uh,
also a construction worker.
so when you were in 1 year just being a freelancer,
Yes.
so it means you sleep with a different kind of foreigner here.
Yes. Even though it's not really good to hear those words that I've been 1 year already freelancing.
Yeah,
In
but we don't have a choice because that's easy money for you. Cause
yes.
and that's cause as you no one will take care of your child, so it's okay to work like that. Nothing wrong working in a bar as long you know how to handle yourself. Really, nothing wrong being a freelancer because if you know how to handle yourself outside walking street, like you are in your house, if you know, because you know some of the girls